Hi, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Dave in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I made this nice, tasty pot pie. Follow along with me and I will show you how I did it.
Put a tablespoon of oil in the pan. I'm going to put some raw cubes of chicken breast into the pan. Teaspoon of salt. Teaspoon of pepper. And a half a teaspoon of garlic salt, and that'll be about it. And here we are. We're going to cook it slowly. Incorporate this all in. Okay, we'll come back in a few moments. Sorry about that. Fog's causing it, so I'm going to come back. You want to put this over to the side, because you're going to need the skillet again. The onions in here to chop these up real fine. A half a cup of onions, white onion. A teaspoon of minced garlic. Of oil. Of chopped taters. Sliced mushrooms, if you like mushrooms. If you don't, leave them out. Frozen vegetables we're going to put in here. Come back and let that thaw out a little bit. Next, you want to put some steamed broccoli in here. Let this, stir this in here. I love broccoli. It'll give it extra flavor. This is going to be a good. Okay, about good now. 4 slices of shortening, butter flavor shortening into the mix. And get this kind of incorporate in. Let this melt in. 4 tablespoons of flour. 4 stir in. Incorporate this all in. 2 cups of chicken broth. Okay. Then we just want to stir this in really good. We'll come back in a few minutes. This right here is going to thicken real good. All your chicken you cooked earlier, and you want to put it right back into the mix. Then we just want to mix this very well. And I'll show you what we do next. We mix this very good. Pans are here, and we'll start with this one. And I'm going to put part of it in this one right here. I'll come back in a minute. Hang on. That's what you're looking for. You want both of your pans that have that, and I'll be right back. You buy yours pre-owned, pre-made at the store. You can get dollar store brand of ready to bake pie crust. You get 2 of these, so it makes it easy to make 2 of it at once. Well, I'm going to turn this off so I can put this on here. I wish I could show you me doing it. Maybe in the future things will change. Look like before they go in the oven. I got the pie shell crust on top. We need to put a little bit of strips to them so they can breathe. Like that. Like that. Like that. And the same with this one. Don't have to be the biggest holes in the world. That'd be perfect, like there. We'll come back when they're done and I'll show you what they look like. Look at this pot pie. We're going to do is a taste test on this. This is beautiful. Look at that. Oh my God, that is delicious. Oh my gosh, look. That is so delicious. Anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you get all the notifications to my videos, to my brand
Thank y'all for watching. Y'all are amazing. Thank y'all, and y'all have a wonderful day.